What's going on YouTube? Graham here, back again after yet another long hiatus, and today I figured what I would do with spring right around the corner, even though it's still pretty cold in Toronto. Spring's still technically only less than a week away, so I figured I'd take you guys through a few pieces of outerwear that I'll be wearing this spring summer, and why I like them and why I'll be wearing them, and just show them off really and let you guys know what I think of them, and then you can let me know what you think of them in the comments. Blech. Alright, so for the first piece we have this Undercover Bat Bomber, Romanticism Bomber, whatever you want to call it. It's from the 17 Spring Summer collection of Undercover. A lot of Undercover fans, at least from what I saw on the Facebook groups that I'm on, really weren't feeling this season. They really preferred seasons like 15 Spring Summer with all the television pieces, and 17 Fall Winter with the Brainwashed Generation, if you guys have seen that, with the face masks and the headbands, a more like apocalyptic vibe. But I thought this season was really clean. I really liked a lot of the pieces that June did on this season, and this is definitely one of them. I really liked a lot of the bat print stuff that he did, just being a fan of bats in general. So it has this graphic on the front of the bat, along with the Romanticism handled with discipline at the bottom. Has contrasting collar and cuffs on the sleeve. So we have a cream here, and then a black here, black right there. And then if we flip it around, it still says Romanticism handled with discipline on the back, as well as a book with crossbones and roses. It really gives off the whole Romanticism feel, along with like authors like, not H.P. Lovecraft, Oscar Wilde, people like that, films or like books akin to The Picture of Dorian Gray. And that's what it kind of reminds me of, is that whole Romanticism era from writing, literature, and culture. And that's why I like this a lot. I also just really like the clean design, the nice color blocking, the cool graphic. And yeah, I'll be wearing this a lot this summer, probably just with a hoodie or a basic t-shirt. It has really baggy sleeves, really loose sleeves, so a hoodie will fit really nice underneath this. This fits a bit oversized. A medium could definitely fit this, but I like the looser fit. And now I'll show you guys what it looks like on. Okay, so for the second piece that I'm going to show you guys is this vest by the brand Ambush. It's a sort of punk rockish vest from also their 17 Spring Summer collection, I believe, which was called Surplus Sound System. You can see it somewhere. You can see the Ambush logo on it. It's just a bunch of patches that they created graphically that have been sewn in, and so they're really not going anywhere. And so you see like the name of the collection with Surplus Sound System right there. Overall, just a really unique vest. I like it going this way with all the prints or all the patches on the outside, but I personally think that this vest is better reversible, or when it's reversed inside out, I should say. You still get the raw detailing. You get some like exposed seams that are on the inside, if you can see that. And also you get like a peek of these patches when it slightly opens up, since it's a very oversized vest. And this is also perfect to be worn underneath a t-shirt, or just a basic t-shirt or a hoodie. That's typically my go-to under layer when wearing clothes for like spring, summer. I know I worded that weird, but whatever. And yeah, this is just a super fun vest to wear alongside just a basic tee or hoodie. Shout out to Ambush. A lot of people know them more for their jewelry, but they've been making clothes as of a couple years now, and I think their stuff is really dope. So yeah, just wanted to shout them out as well. Okay, so the next piece that I wanted to show you was from a pretty unknown brand called Henrik Vibskov. You might have seen some of Avery's videos, Gear Toward Gear, and some of his videos showcase Vibskov. He's a very playful designer, loves to experiment with cuts, has like the coolest care tags, or like not care tags, but labels that I've ever seen. They're super cute. This one says the jaw nut piece, and with a lot of little funky graphics there too. Really cool piece. It's kind of like a kimono-esque fit, but it also has like a really sturdier canvas sort of material for the construction, as opposed to the traditional kimono, which is typically made out of silk, I believe. I know it's a little bit wrinkled because I just brought this back from New York where I was visiting. But other than that, it's just a really cool oversized cut. A lot of the theme, or pretty much all these pieces that I'm going to be wearing for spring summer, as far as outerwear goes, have a very oversized fit. So I can be able to layer a hoodie or a sweatshirt or a tee underneath it. It's sort of what I like to do. And yeah, it's just something to casually throw on. It can be mixed with a lot of things. The green is actually very versatile. And it also has some really nice deep pockets in there. Make sure your stuff doesn't fall out. And yeah, so this is the jaw nut piece. I'll show you what it looks like on, and then we'll move on to the final piece of outerwear that I'm going to show you guys. And last but certainly not least of the 4 pieces of outerwear that I'm going to show you guys is this Raf Simons oversized denim shirt, which can also really be doubled as a jacket. Fits absolutely massive. This is a size small, but it could easily fits like a double XL, honestly. There's really very little differentiation from the measurements when Raf does his oversized clothes. Like a medium fits almost exactly the same as a small, large almost exactly the same as a medium. It's pretty much indiscernible for the most part. Super huge, super heavy. Has the Raf Simons patch here that I've already fucked up, but hopefully you guys can see that. Maybe not, maybe yes, but yeah, I fucked that up already. I've only had this for a couple weeks. Purchased it at Idle Brooklyn. They gave me quite a good price on it. The owners there and just the staff in general are really friendly. They have a really great selection of stuff too. So if you're in the city in New York, I recommend you visit them. I've already customized it with this show me the body patch on the collar. And yeah, just a super casual, lazy piece of outerwear that I'm a big fan of, that once again, as with every other piece, can be layered with just a t-shirt or a hoodie pretty much. And so yeah, I'll show you what that looks like on. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, taking the time out to see this video. If you're new here, or if you like the content that I'm making, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as follow me on Instagram. My handle should be somewhere on the screen right now already, but it'll also be in the description down below. And stay tuned. I'll make an effort to make more videos like this in the future, or if you have any recommendations, be sure to leave those in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. Until next time, take care, guys. Peace.